Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I have a monthly reading for y'all guys, Aquarius, in my other channel. So if you are interested, it is for the month of July. So it will be a love reading and a career reading separately, guys. So today we have the love reading for y'all, Aquarius. I have shared the link in the description so you can watch that video, guys. And if you like the reading, please subscribe to that channel. So let's start with these cards. After this general energy, guys, we have the pick a card love reading. So if you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 3 of Wands, 5 of Wands in reverse, and Hermit in reverse. So Aquarius, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe it may be in your career or relationship, you are facing a lot. Maybe there are too many things for you to handle. There may be a lot of things you need to do. So you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, and you are doing a hard work, making a lot of efforts, trying really hard. So in your work situation, maybe, or even in your relationship, there are a lot of obstacles you need to face, guys. You need to overcome, and you have certain expectations about certain things, maybe in your work regarding some projects or some expectations in this relationship. But you may, have some worries about that, whether it will go in the way you expected. So, because you are already facing some difficulties, maybe regarding something, regarding some projects. So some results you are expecting, and you feel a lot of anxiety and fear about that. You don't know whether uh, it will happen just like you hoped for. So maybe for some of you, you are worried about that, worried about the results. So whatever is going to reach you back, the rewards for your hard work. So your expectation may be, has not been proved either way. So you are expecting certain things, certain results for you. So even in your relationship, guys, today, Aquarius, whatever you expect, maybe it may be something good or something bad, but whatever it is, all that obstacles and struggles you are facing today, Aquarius, all that is going to end in an advantageous way for you guys. So you are going to feel happy because whatever you said is going to come true today, guys, Aquarius. So maybe this person may feel embarrassed because they are wrong, and it will be a happy kind of an embarrassment. They are happy to have lost to you guys. Maybe something like something like a competition you may feel today in this relationship, because you love each other, but you may have some worries deep down in your heart. worried where this person is going or what is going to come happen in this relationship. So let's see what is the card. So it is 10 of cups in reverse. So you may even with this card, guys, so there are chances for this relationship to what to say you may face that lack of clarity and understanding. Sometimes you both have a good understanding, sometimes it is not so good. So something some kind of sadness may be that you may be facing a lot of stressful circumstances in this relationship, guys, Aquarius. So for your career situation, Aquarius, we have 8 of Pentacles. So with this card, you are a really skilled and talented person. You know what you are doing, and you have that cheerfulness and confidence in your career situation, guys. So that may be the reason you are seeing that beginning of success in your work situation, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges, whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you have, you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So there is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.